Nauna border list chalaba mioi taramangada border card piduna taramari raksuba National Voters Day gi tharam pangthokre. Nothing like voting, I vote for sure haiba thimda lamphel de leiba Chief Electoral Officer gi office ta pangthokiba tharam aduda Manipur lenga ki Chief Secretary Dr. 𝗥𝗏 𝗦𝗨𝗕𝗢𝗢 Manipur gi Additional Chief Secretary 𝗦𝗏𝗏𝗏 amadi Chief Electoral Officer 𝗦𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 𝗏 tharam mapu oina sarugyaki tharam adugi sarukama oina lamdam asigi tongan tonganba District Election Officers singi mafamda achamba khudol tamduna makhoi bu pukning thawatki loinena National Voters Day gi wasak lominakhibaga loinena numit asiga mari lenena Chief Election Commissioner na leibak miyamda video gi khuthangda piba paujel miyam punna micheng taminaki tharam aduga mari lenena Dr. 𝗥𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 na India asi malemda khwaidagi liraba democracy chatpa leibak amani ngasi leibak asina ingna chikna panba ngamliba asisu democracy chatpa leibak ama oibenani chai tara nipan suraba mioi singna handakta nauna border chalaba naha singbu mikhalda mapung fana sarugyaduna apamba misakta free and fair oina amadi peace oina bot thadanaba puning thokatpa haibasi tangai fade masina leibak asibu achumba lambida lamjingadoriba singi ahanba khongthang oigadoribani mamang thaktagi hauduna amadi haujiksu mikhalda nupi voters singna achauba thotang loduna lakle haiba wafam phongdoke.
All of us are also aware that India is one of the oldest democracies of the world, and India has sustained today it's only because of its democracy, and we have seen that nowhere else in the world that such a smooth transition of power happens, and it is happening only because of the strong democratic values, of the strong voters' will, which all of us have been able to establish. All of us are therefore very proud to be part of this system, and therefore I welcome the new voters to this system.
Amaromda Pradeep Kumar Jana Fongdorakpada border singbu thauna pinabagi panamda pangthokliba thoramasi democracy chatpa leibak amada ngasigi numit asi aduki matik maruoi masibu hena mapung fahanaba haiduna ECO gi machinery singna honaduna matam chana electoral roll puthokpa ngamba asigi damakta ECO gi office samadi field da haktekna thavak toriba pumnamak pu thagali summary revision asi chathabada leiriba motivation asi makhatana chathaduna lamdamasida lakadaba mikhal sing asi free and fair amasung democratic oina mikhal pangtokpa ngamba oirasanu hainasu yaifa pausal piraki.
The net result of that is that we have a net increase of almost 18,000 voters, 18,191 to be precise. This is also to complement all our booth level officers who were there in the field doing house to house survey, minutely scrutinizing each and every form for inclusion or for correction or for shifting or deletion that they received. So today is a day to remember their best efforts and to felicitate them also. We have identified and selected few of those who are to be felicitated here today and also in the districts. At the same time, I must say that the entire credit of this thing goes to all the BLOs and all the EROs and all the DOs, even those who are not receiving the certificate today, but their efforts have been worth commending.